It's a Wednesday. I don't know about you guys, but I had a pretty long week so far. So, one way to make a collector or a builder or just a fan like me to feel happy is to buy toys. For today's video, we are going to be doing something really different. I've got a bunch of stuff here. Like I said, it's been a long week and this is just one way to de-stress. But yeah, you gotta be responsible with your spending, right? Don't get into debt and take care of your family, pay all the bills, save some, invest some, and take care of yourself, right? While I'm waiting for my 1/24th scale items like the Black Rabbit, the Abyss Crawler, and the Jungle type Lore Impulse, I managed to get something for this month, September. If you guys have been watching my channel, you will know that this is Kelsey. I talk a lot about Kelsey because it's really cool. And what else? Over here, Planet Green Valley, right? I actually just started collecting all these 1/18th scale, and of course we have the Joy toy right here. I decided to check out more of these 1/18th scale items, and yeah, let's do this. It's not really an unboxing, but more like, you know, sharing with you guys what are some of the stuff that I got for this month. Work hard, play hard, literally playing toys. So yeah, over here I guess you can only move the front legs. They've got joints over here, and this is just one leg. So yeah, for $2, why not? Yep. So this is the Boss Fight Studios Rancher gear kit. It doesn't come with the box. I don't know, guys. Do you think it's legit? Like, is it a knockoff? I'm not sure. But from what I heard, some of these accessory kits don't really come with box. At least for this one right here. So we've got the saddle, which is pretty cool. What else can you do? Yeah. And this is the stand. What it says, Boss Fight Studio. Looks real enough for me. And this is the face bandana. Here's the rope. What do you think is this? This I think it's a holster. Is this supposed to be a holster? Are you supposed to attach it to the saddle? Can you take it out? I think so. Let's find out. Let's hope I don't break anything, because I'm used to breaking stuff. I don't know, guys. Let's see. Can you attach it here? No? Yes? I don't know, guys. Alright, anyways. We've got the rifle. So they're looking pretty good. Okay, here's my plan. Let's check it out. You've got the horsey right here. Please enlighten me. Is this how it's supposed to go? I don't know, guys. Help me out. Or is it supposed to go this way? Okay, I think it works better this way. Let me know, guys, right in the comment whether I get it right or not. So horsey, there you go. Okay, when it comes to Boss Fight Studio, yeah, I decided to check out the Vitruvian hacks, Gene Brothers. This is Series Z. Some zombie killing. Comes with another head. Looks pretty good. I'm excited. This is my first Boss Fight Studio, and yeah, As you can see, I got it from China, right? Oh. At a pretty good price too. I think what, like $20? Yeah. So what else do I have? Another one, Zombielab. I think it's a collab with Boss Fight. I'm not too sure. This is Duncan. This is Duncan right here. I like his look. Yeah. Local toys. I actually got this from Hong Kong. Hong Kong and China. Well, let's not go there. And last but not least, guys, I'm telling you, Detective Smith finally decided to just go for it. Pretty excited. So I'm gonna be doing unboxing. Actually, you know what? Should I just try to open it? I can't wait, man. This is the hard part about being a content creator. I need more time to film stuff. Ooh, check out the cover. The art box looks pretty cool. So here's my plan, guys. I have I'm gonna go like a full Django vibe right here, futuristic cowboy, right? This guy, I don't know which one is he. Do they have a name? Louis and Miles. Okay, who's who? I don't know, man. Anyways, here's my plan. I've got the guy right here. I'm gonna get this do a head swap, I think. Yeah, and then the horse. Horsey. So here's my 1/18th collection. Finally got the Annex2179 Zombielab, Boss Fight Studio, As the Rain World, Planet Green Valley, Joy Toy, and the last one, Power Team. Very happy, guys. Makes me feel much better. I'm actually quite excited to unbox all these action figures. One of the things about content creator is that, you know, at least for me, I get the toys but I don't really unbox it until the day when I wanted to shoot some videos. So it's kind of like Christmas time, you're just waiting to open it up. But yep, that's the way it is, right? So if you enjoyed today's video, feel free to click some buttons. I appreciate it. I'm gonna be unboxing one of these, and yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next episode.